Our governments already have a range of frameworks, laws and policies and processes in place that relate to how government services are delivered, how construction is undertaken, how government investment is managed. So we need to make sure our PPP framework builds on, incorporates and modifies pre-existing frameworks appropriately. It makes sense to use existing frameworks as far as possible and to ensure that PPP-specific elements dovetail with existing systems. A good example here is the Decree on Public-Private Partnership Investment Form from Vietnam. If you look at the front page of this decree, you can see it refers to a number of other laws. It talks about the law on organisation of the government. So that's about institutional responsibilities. It talks about the law on investment. That's about private sector investment. It talks about the law on public investment. And that's really important in the context of the PPP program, because the law on public investment is what governs the broader identification and prioritisation of potential infrastructure projects in Vietnam. It also refers to the law on construction, the law on management of public debt, very important in terms of fiscal obligations. And all of those different laws have some sort of relationship, some sort of interface with the PPP framework. They all need to work together. So it's really good practice to review the legal and administrative context when we're putting in place a PPP framework, so we can make sure that we're not creating incompatibilities between existing frameworks and the PPP framework.